Manipur Poultry Development Association has raised concerns about the severe impact of frequent bandhs and blockades, especially on Imphal-Manipur route, which are hindering poultry farmers' operations. Secretary of the Association Tongtam Dhruvatara Khaba highlighted the hardships faced by around 200 poultry farmers, emphasizing that these disruptions enforced by the Sapo and Naga people's organizations are preventing the timely transport of essential poultry feeds. He expressed frustration over the lack of support for those in the poultry business who rely on self-employment rather than government jobs, and said that these disruptions have significantly affected their livelihoods.
Economic blockade the Sing Havada 10 days Muktangai, Adugi Mamaki Sapo Gibana, heavy vehicles at Payadaba, Lamisium the Bagi, Adugagi Hona, Saking Panga, Matung the Amuk, economic blockade, followed Toraga, Saking Pirimatamsida, was it laying out to million ba, Amasu, Ban Covid is announcing Yasanaba, is the organization is Yasan, the Sina, Semilons one Bagi, what Tokraga. We will visit Pitato Dragadi, Hingbungam Zedraba, Adumba, Zivas Zibu, and Noraga, Moy Caesars or Heavy Monda, Toby Monsi, Masi, Sana, Moina, Parma, Moina, when a Yingmung Mamata the Sahara, the Sibugi, condition people in Laxala Presida, Masigi, Matumtan, Masum, the Ton Begano, Hanatos of Nether Luna, Kaimo, Bansi, Yanabo, or Gasu, settled Tobo, or Gasu, Togo, or Gasu, Matumta, the Wina Hygienic Museum. Economic blockade, Amazon blockade na, livestock since covered Tobigano, Amazon Masigi, Magi Pit, Amazon, Ahim Bazinzi covered Tobigano have a say, a queen of Pausi, Tamzani.